In last tutorial, we saw how to find the true length and true angle of a line when a line is neither parallel to horizontal plane nor to vertical plane. But the method what we use to find the true length and true angle is called revolution method. And today we are going to discuss another method to find the true length and true angle, that is auxiliary plane method. So let's try to learn. So let's try to understand how to find true length and true angle using auxiliary plane method. As you can see here, this is a projection of a line which is neither parallel to horizontal nor to vertical. So now how to make sure that the line is neither parallel to horizontal nor to vertical? Here you can see that S1 and S2, these height are different. That means this line is not parallel to horizontal plane. At the same time, this distance and this distance are not same. That means this line is not parallel to vertical plane as well. So to find the true length and true angle, here you can see we have introduced another plane, that is auxiliary plane, extra plane, that is red in color. And we fix that plane parallel to the line. So let's say AB is a line, so this plane is parallel to the projection of a line AB. Now you can see here again that this height, the height of A prime and B prime is reflected on this plane. So this distance and this distance came from here. Although it seems complicated, but let's try to solve this tutorial, just remembering some steps. So what we will do, we'll try to explain this step by step, how to find true length and true angle using auxiliary method. So let me go to this interactive pad. So first what I will do, I'll transfer the question. So let me transfer this question. So in first step, we transferred the question. Now, in second step, we should draw a reference line either parallel to AB or A prime B prime. So if you are interested to find theta s, that means angle made by the two line with the horizontal plane, then we should draw a line parallel to AB. At the same time, if you are interested to find theta v or you are asked to find theta v, then you should draw that reference line parallel to A prime B prime. So now here now I'm going to find theta s and true length. So what I will be doing, I will be drawing a reference line parallel to AB. This is the reference line parallel to AB. And then in third step, we draw projection line from digits to the reference line. This is and digit. Although I have drawn freehand sketch, but let's assume this projection line are perpendicular to the reference line, and the reference line is parallel to AB. Now, now we should measure this height. This height, let's say h1, and this height s2. This is Hn and s2, and we should transfer this h1 and s2 from here. Let's say this is h1 and this is s2, and then we should join these points. So this is the line. This is the true length of a line. So this is the true length of the line, and the angle made by this true length with this axis is called is theta s. That means this angle is theta h, or in other words, this angle is same thing. So this angle is theta h. We can measure it either with the help of protractor or the drafter. Now, if you are asked to find theta v, then you should follow the same procedure. But the only difference that you should start from here. So you should draw a parallel line, reference line, parallel to A prime B prime rather than AB. So you should draw a parallel line, reference line, parallel to A prime B prime. Then again you should draw the projection line. And now this time you should transfer this distance, this distance, this distance from here to here, and this distance from here to here, this distance. And then you should join.